Hello kids, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. A very good morning. On behalf of Rasa International School, today we are going to learn General Knowledge, chapter number 1, Fruits, and chapter number 2, Vegetable. Here, chapter number 1 is Fruits. So, first we will learn about fruits. Here you can see first fruit is watermelon. It's Watermelon, watermelon. Second fruit is Apple, apple. Third fruit is strawberry. Okay, the spelling of a strawberry is STRAWBERRY, strawberry. Next is pineapple, PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Next, cherries. So here the spelling of cherry is CHERRRIES, cherries. Next fruit is pear. The spelling of pear is PEAR. So now open your chapter number 1. Yes, chapter number 1, page number 263. Okay. So let's start. First we will do, what is the color of an apple? Can anyone tell me? Yes, the color of an apple is red. So we have to tick this. Okay. Next is, write the names of these fruits. What you have to do, you have to write the name of these fruits. आपको इन fruits के name लिखने हैं. You can see here the yellow box. Here the hint is provided. In fruits के name की spellings दी हुई है. So we can see now. Okay. So first fruit is, which fruit is this? S for strawberry. Yes. So we will write here STRAWBERRY, strawberry. Okay, you can write in this box with pencil. Okay, so here the second fruit is, yes, we have learned earlier, अभी हमने learn किया था, cherries. So CHERRRIES, cherries. Third one is, yes, it's pineapple, PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Next, yes, it's watermelon, WATER, water, MELON, melon. And which fruit is this? Yes, it's pear, PEAR. Now, here you can see mango is known as the king of fruits. और fruits का king कौन होता है? राजा कौन होता है fruits का? Mango, आम, yes. So, what you have to do in this season or in this time, you have to eat fruits daily, okay? Because fruit is very good for health. Okay? Now we have done chapter number 1. Now turn your page 264, chapter number 2, vegetables. Vegetable matlab sabjiyan, yes. Vegetable and fruits are very good for health, and we have to eat fruits as well as vegetable. Green vegetable is very good for health. Okay. So let's start. Before this, first we will learn the vegetable names. Okay, first we will learn vegetable names. Fine. First vegetable is peas. PEAS. Peas matlab matar. Okay. Second vegetable here is carrot. Carrot matlab gajar. The spelling of carrot is C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Next vegetable here is onion. Onion मतलब प्याज. O-N-I-O-N. Next vegetable is, yes, red tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं हम? टमाटर. Okay, next vegetable here is cauliflower. देखने में देखो ये फ्लावर जैसा लग रहा है ना? Yes, this is cauliflower. और इसको हम गोभी हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Okay, the spelling of cauliflower is C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Next vegetable is okra, lady finger. okra को हम lady finger भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so next vegetable is okra, lady finger. Okra is better known by its common name as lady finger. okra का common name क्या है? lady finger, भिंडी जिसको हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं. So the spelling of lady finger okra is L-A-D-Y-F-I-N-G-E-R, lady finger, okra, O-K-R-A. Now we have learned vegetable names. Now we will do this exercise or this chapter exercise. So open your page number 264, vegetables. Name any two vegetables you like to eat. So this is your homework. HW, you have to write the two vegetables name. आपको two vegetables के name लिखने हैं जो आपको खानी पसंद हो. Write the names of the vegetables that you see in the picture with the help of the given hint. आपको ये hint दी है. You can see the yellow box here. आपको vegetables के name लिखने हैं next page पे. Okay, you can see the pictures here and you have to find out the vegetables from this picture. आपको इस pictures में से vegetables के name लिखने हैं कौन सी vegetables है. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here the first vegetable is, yes, this is lady finger. And which vegetable is this? जो flower की जैसे होती है. Yes, it's cauliflower. Next, red carrot. Good. So we will write the name here. Turn your next page 265. So write here C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Yes. Next is lady finger. L-A-D-Y-F-I-N-G-E-R, lady finger. And third one is cauliflower. So C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Okay, now turn your next page, page number 264 again. Here the next vegetable is, yes, this is tomato. And what is this? Onion. Yes, peas. So turn your next page now. We will write the name here. Fourth one is peas, P-E-A-S. Next is onion, yes, O-N-I-O-N. Next one is tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O. Done? I hope you understood this chapter. Now what you have to do, you have to do this all exercise in your book with pencil, and you have to learn fruits and vegetable names. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.